हमारे पास एक नया क्वेश्चन है 2x minus 9 and plus 5y and whole power 2. This is the seventh part of question 1. यहाँ a की जगह पर 2x है, b की जगह पर -9 है और c की जगह पर 5y है. So first of all we have to square 2x whole power 2 and plus -9 whole power 2 and plus 5y whole power 2 and plus 2ab. It means 2 into a. The first term is 2x. So in place of 2a we write 2x. And in place of b we write -9 and plus 2 into the second term -9 and multiplied with the third term, so it is 5y. Now 2 into the third term is 5y and the first term is 2x, so here we write 2x. (2x) whole square. It means we have to multiply 2x with 2x, so we get 4x power 2. So in place of 2x whole square we write 4x power 2, and then in place of plus we write plus. -9 is multiplied with -9, so we get plus 81, so here we write 81. Now 5y whole square, so 5y is multiplied with 5y, when 5y is multiplied with 5y we get 5 5 is 25 and by power 2. In the next step we have plus sign here and the minus sign is here. So when plus is multiplied with minus we get minus, and 2 2 ja 4 and 4 9 ja 36. So 36 multiplied with x. Here we have plus sign and here we have minus sign. When plus is multiplied with minus we get minus sign, and 2 9 ja 18, 18 5 ja 90, multiplied with by only, and plus 2 5 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 20 into by into x. In the next step we write 4x square and plus 81 and plus 25 by square minus 36x minus 90 by and plus 20 by x. So this is our answer. Now let's see the next part of this question. We have xy plus yz whole power 2. Here we have the first term is xy and the second term is yz and the third term is zx. So first of all we have to write xy whole power 2, yz whole power 2 and zx whole power 2. सबसे पहले हम xy पावर 2 लिखेंगे, yz पावर 2 लिखेंगे and zx whole power 2 लिखेंगे. And then we have to write the terms of 2ab and 2bc and 2ca. So first of all we take here 2 multiplied with the first term xy and the second term is yz plus 2 into yz and the third term is zx plus 2 into CA. It means the last term and the first term. So we have to multiply with zx multiplied with xy. In the next step, we write here xy multiplied with xy. When xy multiplied with xy, we get x into y into y. So our answer will be x power 2 and y power 2. So here we write x power 2 and y power 2. Similarly, when we multiply yz with yz, we get y power 2 and z power 2. And when zx is multiplied with zx, we get z power 2 and x power 2. In this step, we have to write 2 into 2 into x into y into z. Here we write 2 into y into z into x plus 2 into z into x into x into x into y. So this can be written x square y square and y square z square and z square x square and plus 2. The coefficient of x, y square and z is 2, so here we write 2 and then we write 2 into x, y power 2 and z, 2 into y, z power 2 and x and plus 2 into z, x power 2 and y. So it can be written as x square, y square, z square and z square x square plus twice x y square z and twice y z square x and twice z x square and y. Now let's see the next part of this question. It is a plus b upon 3. A plus b upon 2 plus z upon 3 and whole square. So first of all we have to write a whole power 2, b upon 2 whole power 2 and z upon 3 whole power 2. And then we have to write 2 into here we have c upon 3. So we take c upon 3 whole square twice into a. The first term is a and the second term is b by 2. So here we write b upon 2 and plus twice b upon 2 into the third term is c upon 3 plus 2 into c upon 3 and the first term is small a. Now a square means a square. When p upon 2 is multiplied with p upon 2, so we get b power 2 upon 4. So it is b power 2 upon 4. Similarly, c upon 3 is multiplied with c upon 3, then we get c power 2 upon 9. In this step, this 2 is cancelled with this 2, here this 2 is in the numerator and this is in the denominator, so cancelled, and 2 is cancelled with 2. So here we have a into b, b into c divided by 3 plus twice c into a divided by 3. This can be written as a square and b square upon 4 and c square upon 9 and plus ab and plus bc upon 3 or 1 upon 3 bc and twice ca upon 3. Sometimes it can be written as b square upon 4 plus c square upon 9 plus ab plus 1 upon 3 bc plus 2 upon 3 ca. So this is our answer. Now let's see the next question. A minus b upon 3 a minus b upon 3 and plus 2c upon 5 and whole square. So it can be written as a power 2 minus b upon 3 whole square and 2c upon 5 whole square and plus 2 into the first term is a and the second term is minus b upon 3. So a into minus b upon 3 plus 2 into minus b upon 3 and multiplied with the third term, it is twice c upon 5. Now 2 into twice c upon 5 is multiplied with the first term, it is a. So here we write small. यहाँ गौर करने की चीज ये है कि यहाँ पर 2 आ रहा है, यहाँ भी 2 आ रहा है और यहाँ भी 2 आ रहा है। ये तीनों जगह की शुरुआत हम 2 से करते हैं, 2 2 2 and then you have to write AB. This term ends with B and this term starts with B. यहाँ वाली जो टर्म है वो B पर खत्म होती है, तो ये वाली टर्म B पर शुरू होती है, और यहाँ की टर्म C पर खत्म होती है, तो यहाँ की टर्म C पर शुरू होती है। तो आप यहाँ गौर से देखिएगा, ये फर्स्ट टर्म है, ये सेकंड टर्म है, ये a माइनस बी अपॉन 3। अब ये हमारी जो टर्म है ये माइनस पी अपॉन 3 पर एंड हो रही है, तो ये वाली टर्म माइनस पी अपॉन 3 पर शुरू हो रही है 2 के बाद, और इसका जो 2c/5 एंड में आता है ये 2 के तुरंत बाद यहाँ पर आ जाएगा और फर्स्ट टर्म सबसे लास्ट में रह जाएगा। तो आपको ये क्रम ध्यान रखना है लिखते समय, जिससे कि आप फास्ट कैलकुलेट कर सकेंगे इसको। A, B, B, C and then CA। हम लोग एक साइक्लिक ऑर्डर में चलते हैं, A and B and then C, A, B, then B, C, then C, A, A, B, B, C and C, A। तो एक निश्चित क्रम होता है मल्टीप्लाई लेने का, आप इस क्रम का ध्यान रखेंगे तो आप बहुत ही फास्ट कैलकुलेशन कर पाएंगे। a power 2 minus b is multiplied with minus b, so it is b square, and when 3 is multiplied with 3 we get 9. 2c is multiplied with 2c, then we get 4c power 2, and 5 is multiplied with 5, then we get 25. Here is 2 and here we have 3, तो ये किसी प्रकार से कैंसिल नहीं होने वाले, यहाँ कोई कैंसिलेशन का रूल नहीं लगेगा। यहाँ भी आप देख रहे हैं 2 है, 3 है, कोई कैंसिलेशन नहीं है, यहाँ 5 है या 2 है, कोई कैंसिलेशन नहीं है, तो हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा। यहाँ जो हमारी नंबर है वो नेगेटिव है और यहाँ जो चिन्ह है वो हमारा पॉजिटिव है, एक पॉजिटिव है एक नेगेटिव है, तो इस प्लस को जब इस माइनस के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो माइनस आएगा। अब हमारे पास बचा 2ab/3, 2ab/3। यहाँ देखिएगा 2 2 जा 4 and this minus multiplied with this plus you get here minus 2 2 ja 4 into b into c upon 3 5 ja 15. You can write in the same way here, 2 into a into b upon 3. 2 2 ja 4, तो 4 into c into a upon 5. Now a square, b square upon 9, 4c square upon 25, minus 2ab/3 minus 4bc/15 and plus 4ca/5. Sometimes it can be written as a square plus b square upon 9 and 4c square upon 25 minus 2 upon 3ab minus 4 upon 15 bc and plus 4 upon 5 ca. So this is our answer. Our next question is a minus b upon 2 and minus 6 whole square. This is the 11th question. So here we have to write a whole power 2 and then we write plus and minus b upon 2 whole square and plus and minus 6 whole square and plus 2 into AB. AB means the first and second term का product लेना है. The first term is A and the second term is minus b upon 2 plus 2 into the second term and the third term, so it is minus b upon 2 and multiplied with minus 6 plus 2 into minus 6 multiplied with the first number. The first number is small a, so here we write small a. 2 into A into B. This is the first number and this is the second. 2 into the second number and the third number plus 2 into the third number into the first number. Now a square, it means a is multiplied with a, so we get a power 2. When minus b by 2 is multiplied with minus b by 2. So minus is multiplied with minus, we get a plus sign here. And b is multiplied with b, we get b square. And 2 is multiplied with 2, we get 4 in the denominator. When minus 6 is multiplied with minus 6, we get 36 and plus this 2 is cancelled with this and this minus multiplied with this plus, so here we get a into b with negative sign. This 2 is cancelled with this 2 and this minus 6 multiplied with minus, then we get here plus 6 into b. Minus is multiplied with this plus sign, we get here minus into 6 are 12 multiplied with a. So our answer will be a square plus b square upon 4 plus 36 minus ab plus 6b minus 12a.